Hello, Terrence.
Hi, Philip. Bum, bum, bum.
You'll never see me coming. Mysterion protects the world. Death has gone. I know your boss. Stand down. Timmy. He's flying red flesh. He might be a little crushed. This is for you. Hey,
Son of a bitch!
hey, I return to the shadows. Beware my return.
My mind grows tired.
Mysterion protects the perfect host.
Planet is mine.
Stop cheating. Mysterion brings justice.
Boys are weird.
You
I
stand
return
no
to
chance
the
against Dr.
Hey.
Timothy.
You can't kill that.
For children, violence is not the answer.
Super villains never see me. Death has gone.
This game is worse than I thought.
Mysterion protects the ringer now. Death has gone. Mysterion brings justice. I return the ringer now. Oof. Hi-ya. Hi-ya. Mysterion protects the weak.
Home!
You can't kill that which
Daddy.
I am Dr. Timothy.
Beware my return.
Am I fucking your mind? Am I?
Wonder Tweet, where are you? This planet is mine.
This is for Mr. Posse. Mysterio drinks out. Super villains have no heed. Hey, death has go. Surrender now.
Freedom pals forever.
I return to the shadows. Supervillains have no hope. Supervillains have no hope. Death has go.
Take this, Daddy.
Surrender now. Ow.
This game is worse than I thought.
Beware my return.
Your body is a perfect host. What? Ow.
Mysterion brings justice.
Boys are wimps.
I know your fault.
Don't work it out.
Call girls got this.
You stand no chance against Dr. Timothy.
I return
Freedom
to the
pals
shadows.
forever. See ya. Am I fucking your mind? Am I okay? My mind grows tired. My children, violence is not the answer.
This is your Mr. Posse. He's flying red flesh. Beware my return. Supervillains have no hope. I return to the shadows. Death has go. This is for Mr. Posse. Hey! Oof. Beware my return.
I know your fault. Stand
You'll
down.
never see me
coming.
The king has mapped it off for the... Surrender now.
Am I fucking your mind? Am I?
Super villains have
Transmission.
no...
Mysterio brings justice against Dr. Taylor.
Ouch, I stubbed my toe. You can't kill me.
Stop cheating.
You might be a little crushed.
That's how it goes. Super Greg will win. What?
See ya.
Is my nose bleeding?
I return to the
Watch out!
Freedom pals forever. My children, violence is not the answer.
Mysterion brings justice. Ow. Hey.
Timmy. You might be a little crushed.
I return to the
See ya. My mind grows tired.
Mysterion protects the weak.
Each clawed flesh. Your body is a perfect host. Transmission received.
You stand no chance against Dr. Timothy.
Mysterion protects the weak.
This planet is mine.
This is for Mr. Beware my return.
Am I fucking your mind? Am I? My mind grows tired.
I return to the shadows.
Ow. Ow. Call girl's got this. South Park belongs
Mysterion
to
brings
the team.
justice.
Evildoers beware.
Mysterion protects the weak.
Go fly a kite.
You can't kill that one. Hey.
You'll never see me.
Beware my return.
You better believe it, I'm back.
Go. Am I bleeding? We're all strung together. Surrender now.
This is for Mr. Possum. Mysterion protects the weak. I return to the shadows.
I know your thoughts. Stand down. See ya.
This is for Mr. Posse. Oof. Hey. I return to the shadows.
You'll never see me coming. Surrender now.
You stand no chance against Dr. Timothy. Timmy.
Death has go.
Mysterion brings justice.
Body is a
Hey.
perfect host. Ouch, I still have
Timmy.
You can't
Death
kill
has go.
You might be a little crushed.
Let's go, Surrender now. Retreat before the king.
Mysterion protects the weak.
See ya. Freedom might be a little children, violence is not the answer. Am I fucking your mind? Am I?
Beware my return.
Boys are wimps. South Park belongs to the king. My nose is bleeding.
Timmy, my mind grows tired.
Super villains have no hope. That
Surrender now. Stop cheating.
Call girl to save the day.
South Park belongs to the
You
king.
stand no chance against Dr. Timothy. I know your thoughts. Stand down. Am
You'll
I
never
fucking
see me.
okay?
Hey, Kenny. Let's go.
My mind grows tired.
Stop cheating.
Game is worse than I thought.
Timmy.
Surrender now.
Transmission received.
Watch out! I am Tupperware!
Mysterion
My
brings
children,
justice.
violence is not the answer.
This is for Mr. I return to the shadows.
Hey-ya! Tupperware kid! Yeah!
You'll never see me, Kenny. You can't kill that which never dies.
Space actually kind of sucks.
Let's go.
Wow.
Retreat before the king. Mysterion brings justice.
Hey-ya! It's not getting harder to breathe.
You stand no chance against Dr. Timothy. I know your thoughts. Stand down. Freedom pals forever. Freedom pals forever. You might be a little crushed. My mind grows tired.
You'll never see me.
Mysterion
brings justice. Surrender now.
My children, violence.
Let's go.
My mind grows tired.
You can't kill that which never dies.
Evildoers beware.
Surrender now. Just give me a moment.
We're all stronger together.
This is my boss.
Out of the way! Takedown is rampaging! Watch out! I am Tupperware!
Beware my return. Mysterion protects the weak. This is for Mr. Possum. Hey.
To breathe!
You can't kill that which never dies.
We're all stronger together.
Mysterion brings
I
justice.
know your thoughts. Stand down. Timmy.
I did it.
Beware my return.
My children, violence is not the answer.
This game is worse than I thought.
This is for Mr. Possum. Oof.
Let's go get him. Here we go.
I return to the shadows.
Your body
You'll never see me. Kenny. Surrender This is for Mr. Possum.
Dr. Timothy, my mentalism is unrivaled.
Beware my return.
Freedom power.
I return to the shadow.
This game is worse than I thought.
You stand no chance against Dr. Timothy.
Mysterion protects the weak. These claws shred flesh. Beware my return.
Take this, fatties.
Call girl to save the day.
Out of the way. Tupperware is rampaging.
Supervillains have no hope.
Might be a little crushed. Timmy, freedom has fallen.
Fast, go!
My mind grows tired.
Am I bleeding? Your body is a perfect host.
This is for Mr. Possum. Surrender now. Supervillains have no hope. Hi-ya! I return to the shadow.
Fast, go! Slowing down.
I am Dr. Timothy. My mentalism is unrivaled.
Abu! Goddamn! This game is worse than I thought!
You'll never see me coming.
Surrender now.
Boys are wimps. I'm invincible.
Slowing down.
This game is a little too violent.
Hey!
I know your face.
You better believe it, I'm back.
Your body is a perfect host.
Am I fucking your mind? Am I?
Am I bleeding?
You might be a little. You stand no chance against Dr. Timothy.
Transmission received. Evildoers beware.